You may know that our government is made up of three equal branches: the legislative, the executive, and the judicial branch. Each play a key role, but of the three, some say they understand the judicial branch least of all. I'm a federal judge, and here's a quick look at what Ohio law says about the judiciary. We federal judges are appointed by the president. In Ohio, our state, county, and municipal judges run for office just like legislators, the governor, and others. These judges serve at three levels: the trial court, the Court of Appeals, and the Supreme Court. And to become a judge, you must first be a lawyer for at least 6 years. That's someone who graduated from law school, passed the bar exam, and holds a law license. Judges and candidates for judge must follow certain ethical rules. For example, judges can't publicly talk about some subjects, and they aren't allowed to promise to rule a certain way in future cases. Judges must keep an open mind and be ready to consider the specific facts and evidence presented in each case. Then they apply the law and make a decision. I like to think of judges as the umpires of our legal system. The ideal judge doesn't favor one team or another, and the judge makes calls based on the rules of the game. In court, these rules are the state and U.S. constitutions and our laws. And like umpires, judges must do their job even if it's an unpopular decision or when they personally disagree with the law. Judges must also strive to be fair and impartial, and we expect that in all their decisions. When those who have a case in court disagree with the judge's decision, then they have a right to appeal it. Because our Constitution and laws govern so many different topics, judges make decisions that affect everyday life: your family, home, school, personal safety, finances, and sometimes even your pets. That's why it's important to learn about your judges and the Ohio courts. By the way, our courts are open, and I encourage you to come and judge us for yourself. And be sure to visit myohiorights.com to learn more about our judicial branch.